Hi, today we'll discuss India's 19 employee benefits. A liability when an employee has provided service in exchange of benefits to be paid in future. An expense when an entity consumes the economic benefit from a service period provided by the employee in exchange of employee benefits. This standard does not apply to share-based payment, Ind AS 102. Four categories: short-term benefits, wages and salaries, disclosure, no disclosure required. Post-employment benefits, gratuity, PF, pension, disclosure, yes, disclosure is required. Other long-term benefits, sabbatical, loyalty bonus, no disclosure required. Termination benefits, VRS, notice pay, no disclosure required. Short-term benefits, recognized as an expense, accrued expense, liability. Short-term paid absences would be vesting when the employees are entitled to cash payment for unused entitlement, non-vesting when the employees are not entitled to cash payment for unused entitlement at the time of leaving. For sick leave, LIFO is used out of the current year entitlement. Post-employment benefits, two types: defined contribution plans, defined benefit plans. Defined contribution plans, entity pays a fixed amount to the fund. Recognition as expense or accrued expense. Employee benefit expense, account debit to PF fund payable. PF fund payable to bank. Defined benefit plans, plan assets, plan liabilities, actuarial valuation gains or losses in OCI. Projected unit credit method is used. An entity shall offset one plan asset against the liability of another plan only if it has legally enforceable right to settle the surplus in one plan with the liability of the other plan, and it intends to settle the obligation on net basis. Multi-employer plans, state plan defined benefits, plan in the proportion of plan assets and liabilities, defined contribution plan in proportion of terms of the plan. Other long-term employee benefits, recognized as an expense in P&L, expense or accrued expense. Termination benefits, related to termination of employees. When entity decides on VRS, costs shall be recognized in accordance with Ind AS 37 if the termination benefits are expected to be settled within 12 months, then the short-term benefits accounting. Settled in more than 12 months, then long-term employee benefits. Ind AS 19 covers casual and temporary employees as well. This brings us to the end of the session. Thank you so much. Please do like, subscribe the channel. Thank you.